What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again, and I'm coming with y'all with a little bit of a different type of video today. We're gonna work on some grooming, some lifestyle tips, and today the topic is teeth. Okay, I personally have been on a current journey in my life of like reinventing myself, of kind of a glow up, if you will. I'm on my glow up journey right now, and you know, I've been doing CrossFit, which has been nice. It's helped me with my hair. Watched the video on how CrossFit has changed my life. I want to talk to you about teeth today because I partnered with Smile Brilliant, and this is my first like sponsored video. I'm really excited. Anyway, besides that, okay, so let me give you some background information and why this all happened. So me personally, I've always wanted whiter teeth. Me and like dental hygiene haven't been the best. We're not the best of friends. We're more of like acquaintances. Like we'll pass each other in the hallway and be like we'll just do like a little nod type of situation, a little chit chat, but nothing significant. Maybe like a hey, hi, what's up, but like that's about it. And that's been a detriment to my teeth. Okay, my dental health has suffered. My teeth have, you know, haven't been the whitest that they could be. And I've always wanted my teeth to be whiter. So I actually had asked my dentist like numerous times over the last like maybe 3 or so years about like how much whitening costs and how that would work. And she's like, well, the one that I go to, it's about $300 and so. Looking in my wallet, like with what money, where, like you got McDonald's money. So there was that. Also, insurance doesn't cover that because it's an elective surgery. It's not anything, you know, it's cosmetic essentially. So insurance doesn't cover that. So you just gotta have the money. And I didn't have the money. So you know what I did? Nothing. That was until I got contacted from a representative from Smile Brilliant about their whitening kit. And so the last few weeks I've been using their kit and have been whitening my teeth. So I'm gonna show you guys before. Hold on, let me get this right. A little bit of before and then after. So you can see the results on how it looks. For me, my teeth, they were, I would say, on like the average to very stained side. So I'm actually going to do this process again, just to really brighten up even more than what it's done. In the last 2 weeks, I'm already loving the results. It hasn't gotten to a pearl white. Okay, I knew what I was starting with, and you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. We're not gonna take, you know, some jacked up yellow looking teeth and then bring it into like a nice smooth, you know, opulent white. So let's get into how this thing actually works. So the first thing you'll do is when you get your product is you'll get this little tray. So you take these two things, put them together like Play-Doh, put it in this thing, bite down on that for a little bit on your top and your bottom row of teeth, and then you'll actually use those molds, send it back to the factory, and they will actually make you custom teeth trays. So these are what mine look like. They come in this cool little case. You know, these things are here, and you can just put them in your mouth like so. So there's these. And so you get those trays. Along with the trays, you get, hold on a second. Whitening gel. This is actually a used up tube, but this is what it looks like. So you have your whitening gel, comes in this little box, and then you also get a desensitizing gel. So obviously the whitening gel, don't you fall now. Obviously the whitening gel is to whiten your teeth. You put that on the tray, put that in your mouth for about 45 minutes to 3 hours. I would recommend starting shortly the first time. This product is specifically formulated for sensitive teeth, but you still want to start on a smaller duration of whitening and then make it longer as you go throughout the process. I started the first one 45 minutes just to get used to it. My gums were a little bit sensitive the first night that I did it, and then after that, with the desensitizing gel, it went back to normal. And then as the days progressed, I just went a little bit longer to like an hour, then an hour 15, hour and a half, and 2 hours, and then 3. So that's what I did. So that worked for me. It seemed to be fine. And then the kit that I got was a kit that lasts for about 12 days. Each little syringe that you get of this whitening gel gives you about 3 to 4 usages. So you get about 9 to 12 days. And then by the last day, I was, you know, noticing a difference between that. And one thing I want to remind everyone is that what my dentist told me, this is different from this actual me trying to whiten, but what they were saying, because I was saying that I want my teeth to be white, and they said that your teeth look fine. I was like, I don't think so. And what they were saying is that you want your teeth color to be about the same color as the whites of your eyes. Which was funny because when she told me that, I know what my teeth look like and I know what the whites of my eyes look like, and it was not the same color. So what you telling me, Trudy? That ain't right. Her name ain't Trudy, I'm just saying. So that's just how it works. But anyway, let me give y'all the review. This is what I feel about it. Would I recommend this thing? Yes. For a cost, only $129, much cheaper than the $300+ that my dentist was trying to charge me to do the thing. But if you're wanting a at-home system that is easy to use, is cost effective because you're spending a lot less money, I would recommend this completely. I mean, it's like a no-brainer, honestly. If you want to whiten your teeth, if you've always thought about it, I would recommend Smile Brilliant. That's my honest opinion. People do want to be saying stuff about people who do sponsor videos. This is my first one, so I don't want to even be in that pool of people, but they're not paying me to say good things about their product. They're paying me to just review it, to use it, to give my honest opinion about it. It may be good, bad, ugly, or indifferent, but this is what I feel about it. Okay. The whitening part is very easy. The gel just goes in the tray. Put it in your mouth. It's very simple. The desensitizing gel is the same thing. Very easy. Put the gel on, put it in your mouth. Actually, and you know what? Another like byproduct of using this system is that my teeth, like my oral hygiene was getting better, because when you do the whitening kit, you actually have to brush your teeth once with water before the whitening gel, and then another time with the desensitizing gel with your actual toothpaste, and you need to floss before you do the thing. You're brushing your teeth about 3 times a day and you're flossing once a day, so I mean, if you're trying to like you increase your oral health and your smile game, your flash zone, like that's all I'm saying. Another thing, because they recommend you do this before you go to bed, because they want, as you're sleeping, your teeth will have a time to rehydrate, because the whitening system, the whitening gel can be a little bit dehydrating on your teeth. So for me, since I'm working out so much and I have to eat a lot, I do this right after my last meal. So I will eat my last meal in the night, and then I will immediately brush my teeth and put in my whitening gel, so that way I'm not too hungry by the end of the night before I go to sleep. I mean, I was serious about this smile, okay? Like this right here, I was serious about, okay? I'm not trying to play around. I ain't trying to mess around with this. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. This thing came through in the clutch, for real. That's all I'm saying. The price ranges of this stuff is from $129 to $159. Still almost half the price if you got it professionally done. The dentist that I go to is gonna be $350, but there are even more dentistries where it's even more expensive to get it done. So I'm just saying, if you balling on a budget like I am and you can't afford the nice stuff, but you wanna have a nice smile, you know, like shiny teeth and me, shiny teeth, that's all I'm saying. You don't wanna be icky vicky, get yourself some shiny teeth. Do it. Also, for you all watching, we have a giveaway. I get my first collaboration and our first giveaway, like on the same video. Like this is just a lot. Okay, let me calm down. Calm it down. Okay, so for those who are watching, for the next 2 weeks while this video is still live, so check the day that it was posted, not that you're watching it, the date that it was posted. For the next 2 weeks, there's going to be a link in my description box of a drawing for a free whitening kit from Smile Brilliant. So click on that link at the end of this video, or click it now and enter to win that kit. Also, in the description box, there are 2 coupon codes for $15 off of the whitening trays to purchase from the website, and also 5% off of any product off of the smilebrilliant.com website. Check those things out, and that's it. Would I recommend this thing? Absolutely. Absolutely. I don't see why you wouldn't. I honestly don't know why I waited so long. Probably because I didn't have the time, but now I got my smile just rocking over here, so I'm just gonna keep doing this. Well, if you guys like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up if you want to. If you have any other questions about this product, about Smile Brilliant, if you have any concerns or any things I didn't cover in this video that you thought or have a question, just ask me. Hit me up in the comment section below, okay? Do that. I'm only human. I might have forgot something. I don't know. And if you want to hit me up anywhere else, any type of social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, my throat's going away, I'm sorry. And I gotta sing in like 30 minutes at church. Oh lordy. Jesus, fix it. My vocal cords, I need you to run the hem of your garment along my throat so I can sing. And obviously, like always, subscribe. And if you haven't, please hit the button. And if you subscribe but haven't hit the bell notification, what are you doing, sir? What you doing, man? Come on now. Hit the button. I ain't moving on till you hit the button. You did it? All right, good, cool. Now we can hang. I can chill with you now. All right, cool. Thank you again for watching. Watch last week's video right there where I got my ears pierced. Hope you guys like them. I'm loving it. It's pretty awesome. More grooming and lifestyle tip videos right there, that playlist, and obviously a little subscribe icon right there. And until next time, enjoy y'all life, have fun, and I will see y'all when I see you. All right, peace, and keep it locked.